Avid and AJA have a long-standing relationship, which goes back to the Avid DS product, where the KONA card has been used for a long time.
We thought at the time that we needed a platform that was extendable, that could handle resolution independence and all the power that DS requires. So we started with AJA actually a few years ago and implemented it in that product, and we've been very happy with the result.
After working with KONA and DS, with version 5.5 of Media Composer, we brought support for the IO Express device to market.
And that's been working great. A lot of great customer feedback from that. We're now transitioning into two new initiatives, which is the Key Pro Mini working with our DNxHD codec that basically ties the entire production workflow from creation on the device through import, through your editorial, through your effects processing, and then output, all on one format, all cost effective, and all as efficiently as you could possibly get it. And then finally, the Open I/O initiative that will allow even more Avid products to interact with AJA products. So we're pretty proud of our history together.
The recent announcement of the Key Pro Mini DNxHD has again shown just how closely the two companies are working together and how we're so interested in solving these problems that customers are asking us to solve for them.
Our customers asked us for an open solution that is cost effective and had the power behind it that AJA provides. We think that linking that power with Media Composer software is the perfect combination for our customers.
What we realized is that we should offer what we call an SDK, a software developer's kit. And that's what Avid Open I/O is.
One of the things we're hoping to achieve with Open I/O is that we wanted the most integrated workflow that we could have with AJA hardware.
There are a number of great advantages to this. First one is that everything that a card manufacturer offers today is going to work. The card manufacturer takes care of writing support into the Open I/O SDK, and any product in the line should function with Media Composer.
For Media Composer and Symphony, when we approached the Open I/O standard, we wanted to make sure that when they interacted with AJA hardware, that they were thinking about the editorial process. They weren't thinking about leaving the application in settings. They can set all of the things they want to do right inside of Media Composer and just start working immediately.
The other great thing about this is that as new cards come out with new capabilities, higher bandwidth, new functions that are specific to those cards, that support for Media Composer will be written into them from the get-go.
That was the goal that we set forth. We wanted them to have the same experience that they've always had with Media Composer, Nitrous DX, and Mojo DX, and they have that today with AJA hardware.
The other thing that working with companies like AJA does is it gives us a nice path to future technologies, and we could talk about Thunderbolt, for instance, which is this nice bridge between storage, display, all the different inputs and outputs, all the peripheries that you have.
It provides the bandwidth that you need. It's easy connectivity. And these are the things that we're building inside of Media Composer today. So when devices come out like the AJA IOXT, we know that we've built an architecture that's extensible for the future, and we want to connect to it. That's really what Open I/O is about.
I'm so happy that we're finally bringing Media Composer version 6 to market. It satisfies so many customer requests.
The 64-bit architecture that has more features built into it than we've ever done before.
Great new user interface which preserves all of the muscle memory that you've built up over the years, but still gives you some nice new efficiencies, and again, lets the tool get out of your way so you can concentrate on the story. To be able to get a very nice, cost-effective, but still high-performance solution is something that Media Composer users are going to really take advantage of. You can use your AJA KONA card with Media Composer.
Open I/O allows AJA customers to use Media Composer or Newscutter and Symphony software with the very best hardware in the industry.